Joining objects. If we want to join any two objects, then we have to go to the Arrange menu. In that, we shall see the shaping command with options like trim, weld and intersect. First, we need to select the two objects we want to join. Now if we select the weld command, then we shall see that both the objects will be joined together. This option does not keep the original shape of the joined objects. Both the objects will now have the same outline. For certain occasions, we like to put up flags or banners. In the center of these flags, we like to cut out some shapes like crescent, circle, coil, etc. This makes our flag more eye-catching. Do you think we can do such art with CorelDRAW? Yes, indeed. In this software, there is a command called trim. Trim means to cut something. We can trim the shape of an object into another. For instance, if we want to cut out a shape of a moon in a square, then we can use the option of trim. In this option, we have to select the object within which we have to cut out the shape of another object and drag the mouse pointer till the other object below. In the shaping command, we shall see two buttons of source object and target object. The object that we have to trim is the target object, and the other object, the shape of which we want to cut, is the source object. So taking the example of the square and the star, we want to cut out the shape of the star from the square. So the square is the target object and the star is the source object. What are these two buttons used for? The reason is that if at any time we want either of the objects in its original state, we can simply click on the source object or the target object. The original object can be retained as it is. What do we understand from intersect? Intersect means to cut across or overlap each other. In CorelDRAW, we can easily intersect two or more objects. The two buttons of source object and target object can be seen in this option too. Once the objects have overlapped each other, select the overlapped part. This part can be differentiated from the other original parts and given a different color too. It is important that if at any time we would want the objects in their original state, then we should select both the buttons, target and source, before doing the intersection.